Huh? Yeah. God, this is crazy.
Look, my feet are completely buried. There's nobody out.
Pull it back.
You got a broken one.
I don't think he's paying attention. Nothing open? Is that pizza place open? I don't think so.
The best of supermarkets said they were open until 11.
Well, they've got a little bit of time. Oh no, it's 12, isn't it?
Yeah. As if you need to like be cautious crossing the street.
I know. You never know. It's mostly because of pedestrians at this point. I need to use that
Look at the wall.
Yeah. That's right before you can hear. It's just that there's people walking on this street. It's pretty nuts. You're thinking. You're not wearing your.
No, this
thing.
is jeans. This is
Oh,
hardcore.
jeez.
Okay? Coming up. This is jeans. This is no snow pants. I can't really do it though. You can't really see
It's not really that good of a snow. Well, you can. There's a wing.
Bring it up. Make sure you can get it off.
Yeah, I got it. Here, watch out. I'm going to get it. From this angle, it doesn't really look like much.
Aww.
Hey, pup.
It's different. It's snow. It's to make a snow angel.
Well, it's a beautiful
You
one.
see it?
I can see it.
Come on, get it good, Mr.
I
Videographer.
can.
What are you doing
It's
there?
because it's at an angle. I was looking at the feet.
Okay, I'll make another one. Can I fall into it?
Yeah, I think it's just...
Concrete?
Yeah. Here we go.
Hold on, don't get me falling into it. No.
Yeah, go ahead. No, it's
I can't fall into this. I have to do it ungracefully.
It doesn't matter. It's all part of the deal.
Okay.
That's pretty graceful. Okay. Now that's a better snow angel right there. Now see, you're doing too much. That's your problem.
I'd like to be a big angel.
Yeah, but see, it's not going to look like wings.
Why?
Because if you go too wide, it's not going to look like wings.
Come yet?
Yep. You see, like, had you left the
It's
top.
a very wide angel.
No, you see, you shouldn't
That's
go all the way up
big
top.
wings.
You shouldn't go all the way up top.